When did things start coming together to move towards change?
I think it actually happened because of oil. There was so much exploration activity, and we could see that we were losing control of our land.
There were a lot of different companies trying to locate oil and gas reserves, multitudes of them, and people were still running very large trap lines. And people were seeing the seismic crew coming. No one knew where did it come from, who told them to be here, and some of the techniques that they were using were like dynamite in the lakes and things like that. So everybody was after it, and no one really cared much about, well, there are just some people up here, but it looks like a big land, so what are we worried about,
Basically, I don't believe they should be permitted to control it any more than other Canadians are permitted to control projects. In other words, if we get to a position where any group or individual in this country could in fact stop something that was in the national interest all by themselves, I don't think we really any longer have a Canadian government that is effective for the people in Canada.
We are not even acknowledged anywhere, a shape or form in law, that we were the first people and we had right to be above anybody else. Doesn't work that way. Everybody's all the same.
The federal government generated what was called the White Paper, in which they really adopted a policy of assimilation.
That white paper said that the resources of the North would be developed in the interest of all Canadians. And young Northern leaders like Tagak and others said, what does that mean? And the Indians were asking the same question. Where's the development going to take place in our interest?